Hey guys, welcome back to OFC Electronics. Today we're replacing an outlet and I'm also teaching my friend how to do it safely and easily. We're replacing this outlet with the original brand from Lumex, and here are all the tools and products that we will be using to replace the outlet. Firstly, the power must be turned off at the circuit breaker so that we don't get the risk of being electrocuted. Yeah, we don't want to die, guys. After turning off the power, I told my friend that he can go ahead and disassemble the outlet. So here we took turns and I got to loosen the nut that was holding the conduit and the outlet box. After loosening everything, we can now remove the outlet box and you can see the dirt under that outlet box. Then we cleaned it up, then we opened up the new one, which really looked good. It is the original one that we removed. It's the same brand. Before we install the new outlet box, we need to punch a hole on it like the old one. To do this, you will need a hammer and a screwdriver to drive out the knockout tab. The new outlet box has knockout tabs all over it. After that, we may continue with the installation and put everything back on. For the receptacle, you just need to make sure that you wire it correctly. Live goes to live, neutral goes to neutral, and earth goes to earth, or any bare metal on it. The receptacle is in. Now it's time for the faceplate, and after the faceplate, we're done. The installation is done. Now it's time for the testing part. I plugged in the plug tester and I switched the power back on to see if it was working, and the plug tester showed that everything was wired correctly. And next was the trip test to see if the outlet responds to the load, and it responded very well, so which means this was a successful installation. Thank you for watching.